Hello class 2, welcome to your general knowledge class. Today we'll start with a new chapter and the name of the chapter is Who Does What. Okay, this is chapter number 22. Take a pencil in your hand and open your book at page number 32. This is page number 32. Okay, and we will do this chapter today in this class. Who does what? You can see some pictures here on the page and you please identify what are the things that you can see here. Okay, now what we will learn is some people's job is to make things, isn't it? Some people's their job is to make things. So write who makes the thing in the picture. And in the picture you can see few objects, some things. So now what you have to do, you have to write the name of the people or write who makes the thing that you can see in the picture. Okay, now see in the first picture you can see some yummy and delicious food, isn't it? This is a yummy and a very delicious dish. So what you have to write here is what is the person called who makes this, who are professionally, what is the profession of the person called whose job is to make such dishes. Okay, so we know that we call them, a professional cook is known as a chef, isn't it? So here below A we can write chef, C-H-E-F. Okay, C-H-E-F. So what is the job of a chef? Means a professional person whose profession is to cook food. Okay, so he is known as chef. So here what you'll write who makes the thing. Now this yummy dishes, they are generally made by the chef. So below this we will write C-H-E-F like this, chef. Now come to number 2. You can see a beautiful chair. Okay, so now here what we have to write, see we have got some options also: baker, chef, blacksmith, goldsmith, carpenter or sculptor. So a person whose job is to make furniture is known as carpenter, isn't it? So here whose job is to make furniture like chair, table, sofa, isn't it, shelves, cupboard, bed, so they are known as carpenter. So you will write C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R, carpenter here, number B. Now the next picture is, we can see loaf of bread, isn't it? So a person who bakes bread or cake, they are known as baker. So you write here number C, B A K E R, baker. So baker is a person who bakes cake or bread. Okay, now the next picture, in the next picture, that is number D, you can see something made of iron. Okay, now a person who repairs or make things of iron are known as blacksmith. So below you will write B-L-A-C-K. From the option you will get the spelling B-L-A-C-K, blacksmith, S-M-I-T-H, blacksmith. See, you write blacksmith. Done. Now see the next picture, we can see a beautiful ornament, isn't it? And the color is yellow, so obviously it is made of gold. So what do we call a person whose profession is to make or to repair things um of gold, iron, not iron, gold, silver, platinum, etc., and their uh, profession is to buy, sell, make, or to repair the jewelry. Okay, so what is their profession? The profession, a person whose profession is to buy, sell, make, or repair jewelry is known as goldsmith. So you'll write GOLD, gold, SMITH, smith. Okay, goldsmith. Number 6 is goldsmith. So goldsmith are person whose job is to buy, sell, make, or repair jewelries. Okay. Now the last one is sculpture. See the picture. Yes. So the art of making figures or object from stone, clay, wood, etc. is known as sculpture. Okay. So what we'll write here, see here we can see an object made of, maybe it is made of by cutting some stones or by cutting some clay, isn't it? This picture we can see that it is an object which is made up of stone or wood or clay, isn't it? So the profession of a person whose job is to make figures or object from stone, clay, or wood is known as sculptures. So you write here sculpture, SCLUPTOR. Done. So this way we have written all the 6 professions. Okay, these are the name of the professions. Okay, done. Now come to number 2. Look at the picture and mark right or true or false. Okay, you will have to give a tick mark or put a cross against the statement given. First of all, you have to look at the picture properly, what this person is doing. Okay, look at the picture, what he is doing. He is dealing with which part of our body. Okay, now see, the first statement is, by looking at the picture we can see that he is a dentist. Number B, he is a doctor. Number C, he takes care of our eyes. Number D, he takes care of our teeth. Number E, we go to him if we need spectacles. We go to him if we need braces. Okay, now which are the correct statement and which are the wrong statements? So you have to take the statement which you find is which you feel is correct. So here number 1, we can see that A, he is a dentist. Yes, it is true. Then you can put a tick mark. He is a doctor. Yes, he is a doctor, but they are known as dentists, so you will not put tick mark here. Okay, so you will put a tick mark here. Though he is a dentist, he is a doctor, so it is a tick, it is correct. He takes care of our eyes, wrong. He takes care of our teeth, right. We go to him if we need spectacles, wrong. We go to him if we need braces, yes, right. So this way you will do the second exercise. Okay, done. I hope you all are writing with me. If you have any confusion, you can write in the comment box. Okay, thank you.